Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So let's welcome to the sixth part of Science Olympiad, and I know you all are so excited about your examination, and as we are, so let's start. So what is the sixth part? Force, work and energy. In this chapter we'll learn about the force, work and energy, and we'll understand the question pattern. Okay, so what we are going to learn: types of force, work and simple machine, and sources and forms of energy. Okay, so first see, force is push or pull. What is force? Push or pull. When we push anything and when we pull anything, that is a force. Force can be make body move and can stop it. आप force लगा के किसी body को move कर सकते हैं. Means ball, by hitting the ball you can move the ball, and by putting or by stop it, आप उसको stop करके आप उसे रोक सकते हैं. So that is also force, and it changes its shape and the direction and size as well by force. Force can be different types like muscular force, gravitational force, elastic force and friction force, etc. Now see, the types of forces are there. So elastic force, what is the elastic force? Elastic force are that arises due to stretching. जब हम किसी को stretch करते हैं ना, that is because of elasticity, and stretching or compressing something is called the elastic force. Frictional force is what? That is resisting the movement of object is called the frictional force. When the two object slide with each other are called the frictional force. ठीक है? And muscular force, where the muscles are give the force that arise due to the action of muscles. Okay, where हमारा muscles काम करता है. Gravitational force, when the earth pulls every object towards it. हम किसी भी चीज़ को ऊपर फेंके वो नीचे आ जाता है. That is because earth has the gravitational force and that is pulling every object towards it, and this force is called gravitational force. Okay, now see, वर्क इज़ डन व्हेन फोर्स इज़ अप्लाइड. वर्क कब होता है? जब हम उस पर फोर्स लगाते हैं. हम लिखते हैं तो भी एक वर्क हो रहा है, हम पढ़ रहे वो वर्क हो रहा है. ठीक है, वी आर गिविंग द फोर्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दैट ऑब्जेक्ट मूव्स. When applying force does not change the position of the object scientifically, no work is done. अगर आपके घर में एक बड़ा सा अलमीरा है, आप उसे बहुत ताकत, बहुत फोर्स के साथ आप उसे मूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, वो मूव नहीं हुआ, तो मीन्स फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं हुआ साइंटिफिकली. आप थक गए हो, आप बिल्कुल टायर्ड हो चुके हो, बिल्कुल, फिर भी देयर इज़ नो फोर्स इज़ देयर, नो वर्क हैज़ डन, कोई काम नहीं हुआ. जब तक कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी प्लेस से हिले ना, उसे हम वर्क नहीं बोल सकते. ठीक है, मीन्स फोर्स इज़ ज़ीरो. A machine is a tool or device which help us to do the work by applying lesser force. Okay, machine क्या होता है? एक ऐसा डिवाइस होता है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं for applying less force. So seesaw, bottle opener, scissor, wheelbarrow, these are the machine. Energy, what is energy? Is the capacity to do work. If you have energy, then only you can do the work. The different forms of energy are electrical energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, heat energy. Okay, these are the energy. Energy can change from one form to another form. How? When the fan rotates, electrical energy is changed into kinetic energy. So जब fan on होता है तो इलेक्ट्रिक हम ऑन करते हैं, हम जब स्विच देते हैं तभी फ़ैन ऑन होता है. मीन्स हमने इलेक्ट्रिक दिया, इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इज देयर. जब वो चलता है दैट कन्वर्टेड इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी, राइट. सो फोर्स कैन बी इंटरचेंज. नाउ लेट्स सी सम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन. सो सेलेक्ट द ऑड वन आउट फ्रॉम हियर. सो लेट्स सी. ओके, seesaw, slide, crowbar and scissor. Which is the odd one? Odd one is slide. Why? Because seesaw, crowbar and scissor, they have what is an inclined, slide is an inclined plane. Okay, and scissors, crowbars and seesaw are the levers. Okay, now the given picture are represent the dash force. So which force is? So here is a plant, here is a tree, जहाँ से एक फ्रूट जो है वो गिर रहा है. So which force is this? There is a gravitational force. Why? Because the fruit is falling down to the earth. Okay, so कुछ भी चीज़ अगर अर्थ के पास आके गिरता है, अर्थ पे गिरता है, ऊपर से नीचे आता है, that is the gravitational force. Now dash is an example of wheel and axle. So which is the example of wheel and axle? Yes, number B. Okay, wheel जैसा है ना, number B. Now number 4. To reduce force X on a carom board, talcum powder is applied, the force x is the force dash. So हम ना कैरम बोर्ड पे फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए what we do, we put the talcum powder. So which force is this? Applied by hand on a sponge ball? No. That make it tough to lift heavy object? No, it is also wrong. That pulls down the object towards earth? It is also wrong. That prevents us from slipping while walking? Is it correct one? Let's see. Number 4, the answer will be number D. That prevents us to slipping while walking. Okay, means which force? Frictional force is there. Okay, frictional force is there. Now number 5, study the given picture carefully, given figure carefully. It will be the toughest to lift the rock when the force is applied x. ये एक पिक्चर है जिसमें x फोर्स अप्लाइड किया जाएगा तो काफ़ी टफ होगा. वाइल इट विल बी ईजियर टू डू द सेम वर्क व्हेन द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड एट y. नाउ सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन रिगार्डिंग x and y. Okay, so let's see. The answer will be number A. Why? Because in number A the force will be very, see here the question, it will be the toughest to lift the rock when the force is applied in x. So yes, number A में x होगा. So when it will be very tough, and it will be easiest when the force is applied at y. Okay, so number D will be at last. Okay, so this is the right answer. Now when a mixer grinder is switched on, mixer grinder जब switch होता है तो क्या होता है? Dash energy change into dash and dash. So electrical energy change into kinetic. Why? Because it moves, and sound also produces sound energy. Okay, select the correct option number 7C. Energy is the capacity to do work. Yes, energy can be changed from one form to another form. Yes, it can be. Potential energy is the energy due to motion. Potential energy is the energy due to motion. Will be the right or wrong? Let's see. So the answer will be number D, both A and B. Potential energy is not, it is energy due to the position of kinetic energy, right? It's not because of the energy due to motion. Okay, so the number A and B will be the right answer, because energy is capacity to do work, and number B, yes, energy can be changed from one form to another form. I have already discussed. Okay, now see number 8. नविका थ्रू अ पेबल, नविका जो है उसने कुछ पेबल्स को फेंका अपवर्ड, एंड विच वन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट्स इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग दिस? ग्रेविटी विल हैव नो इफेक्ट ऑन द पेबल अंटिल इट रीचेस द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. रॉन्ग, थोड़ा ऊपर जाने से भी नीचे आ सकता है. ग्रेविटी हैज़ इट इफेक्ट्स, चाहे वो कितना पूछा जाए. ग्रेविटी विल एक्ट ऑन द पेबल वाइल इट इज़ गोइंग अप एज वेल एज वाइल इट इज़ फेसिंग डाउन. द पेबल विल कीप गोइंग अपवर्ड अंटिल ग्रेविटी सीज ऑन टू एक्ट ऑन इट. नो, इट्स नॉट करेक्ट. द पेबल विल कीप going upward the same speed until it reaches the highest point. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer will be number B. Gravity will be work on the pebble while it is going up as well as while it is going falling down. चाहे इसे आप ऊपर फेंको या नीचे आओ, नीचे करो, in both case the gravity will work. Okay, now see number 9. A toy car is released from point Y of the ramp एंड ट्रैवल टूवर्ड्स पॉइंट एक्स. सो एक टॉय कार है जिसमें हमने रैम्प में वाई में उसे रखा, एंड देन वो एक्स तक आएगा. व्हाट इज़ द फोर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर स्लाइडिंग द कार टूवर्ड्स इट? इलास्टिक फोर्स, अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मस्कुलर फोर्स. विच फोर्स इज वर्किंग हियर? ओके, हियर द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज वर्किंग. ओनली नंबर 2. Why? Because elastic force is not there. आप क्या कार को स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो? नहीं. मस्कुलर फोर्स भी नहीं, आपने खुद से फोर्स भी नहीं दिया, राइट? सो नंबर 2, that is number A, that is 2, Earth's gravitational force. Now number 10, a ball kept on a table falls down. एक बॉल को हमने एक टेबल पे रख दिया जहाँ से वो गिरेगा from the top and hits the floor with a loud noise. नीचे आके ज़ोर से साउंड हुआ. Which of the following shows the energy conversion that have taken? So what we can say? फर्स्ट विल बी द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, क्योंकि हमने उसे हाइट पे रखा है, अब हम उसे छोड़ने वाले हैं. ठीक है. देन इट इज़ काइनेटिक एनर्जी बिकॉज नाउ इट इज़ एन मूवमेंट, वो मूव कर रहा है. ठीक है, दैट इज़ एन मूवमेंट. अब वो मूव कर रहा है, देन लास्ट में वो नीचे आके क्या हो जाएगा? वो साउंड क्रिएट करेगा, ज़्यादा ज़ोर से आवाज़ करेगा, लाउड नॉइज करेगा, दैट इज साउंड. सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड साउंड एनर्जी. ओके, Now see number 11, which of the following machine are the same type of simple machine as bottle opener? Bottle opener के जैसा simple machine की तरह ये work करेगा. Which one? Okay, which one? Number B. Why? Q and R is as simple as the bottle opener. ठीक है, that is scissor and seesaw. Okay, because why? Because scissor and seesaw both are the lever. Okay, both are the lever, and also the bottle opener is also a lever. Okay, and we can say screw is an inclined plane wrapped around the rod, so it is not a correct one, and doorknob as a wheel and axle. Okay, so the answer will be Q and R because both are the lever. Okay, now come to number 12. Sangeeta poured 100 milliliter of boiling water into 4 container of similar size. संगीता जो है उसने 100 milliliter water जो है 4 बॉटल में डाला, 4 कंटेनर में डाला, ग्लास में डाला. ठीक है, and material from one to another is ordered A, B, C and D as shown here. Now which container have highest and lowest temperature? यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा, किसमें कम होगा. ठीक है, simply if we can say the highest will be A, the highest will be A क्योंकि इसमें सबसे पहले इसमें डाले 100 मिलीलीटर ऑफ बॉइलिंग वाटर का सबसे पहले हमने इसमें डाला, सो इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा होगा ए में, और धीरे धीरे करके सब में हम जब डाल रहे हैं तो उससे टेम्परेचर जो है वो कम हो रहा है. सबसे लास्ट कहाँ होगा, डी में होगा. सो द आंसर विल बी सी, ए एंड डी. ओके, द आंसर विल बी सी, दैट इज ए एंड डी. नाउ कम टू number 13. As Ayan is pushing a carton up a ramp, the dash energy from the food that Ayan has eaten changes into. So Ayan एक कार्टन रैम्प को क्या कर रहा है, पुश कर रहा है. The dash energy from the food that Ayan has eaten change into. Ayan ने कुछ एनर्जी कुछ खाया है, that is change into dash energy to carton when the carton reaches the deck of the lorry. कार्टन जो है जब वो लॉरी में पहुंचता है, देखो यहाँ पे is stored the carton as dash energy. However, some of the energy from Ayan is changed into dash energy. ठीक है, so what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Let's see. The answer will be number C. How? Ayan ने कुछ खाया and that is body में आने के बाद the food is changed into chemical energy. ठीक है, from the food that Ayan has eaten changes into kinetic energy. Why? Because वो क्या कर रहा है, मूव कर रहा है कार्टन को. ठीक है, so it is kinetic energy. So when the carton reaches the deck of the lorry, जब वो डेक पे पहुंच जा रहा है, the energy is stored in the carton as potential. जब वो रुक गया, जब मूवमेंट में है तो kinetic, when it is stopped it is potential. Okay, so however some of the energy of Ayan is changed into heat, and now energy of Ayan, what was the energy, heat and sound. Okay, change into heat and sound. The answer will be number C. Okay, now see number 14. Which of the following is correct about the girls moving the sack bags are shown in the given diagram. So there is a girl who is the pulling a sack bag. ठीक है, एक है जो ऐसे ही टांग के जा रही है, एक ने व्हील पे लिया है. ठीक है, so let's see. Girl P has to work more against friction. गर्ल पी को ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ा फ्रिक्शन के लिए. फ्रिक्शन मीन्स द बैग इज स्लाइडिंग अगेंस्ट द surface. Okay, the girl Q does not have to work against friction hard. The wheels of the trolley have reduced the friction. Yes, it is true. Wheels जो है वो friction को reduce करता है, यानी आपका hard work को कम करता है, and it's the heavy things can be carry easily. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to see that which is doing the hardest work. Okay, so number C will be the right answer. Number C will be the right answer. Number 1 and 3. Number C will be the right answer. Why? Because see here, the girl P needs to work more against friction. It is correct one. Number 2 जो है, girl does not have to work against friction. It is wrong. वो friction में तो work कर रही है, चाहे कम हो but work तो करना पड़ रहा है. And the wheels of the trolley have reduced the friction. It is true. So number 1 and 3 will be the right answer. Okay. Now come to number 15. Myra wants to find out whether the length of a ramp affect the force need to move a wooden block up the ramp. So Myra जो है, she wants to know that जो length जो है ये रैक का, रैम्प का, वो अफेक्ट करेगा कि नहीं फोर्स को. So she sets up the given experiment and what should she कीप द सेम, उसने क्या सेम रखा, शी हैज़ कीप द सेम, नॉट द हाइट, हाइट दोनों में चेंज है, सेंटीमीटर सेंटीमीटर इज चेंज, ठीक है. लेंथ इज हाइट ऑफ द सेम रैम्प इज़ नॉट सेम, देखो इसमें 10 सेंटीमीटर है, इसमें 7 सेंटीमीटर है. द लेंथ ऑफ द बोथ रैम्प्स आर सेम, नो यहाँ पे 60 है, यहाँ पे 70 है, ठीक है. द वेट ऑफ द स्प्रिंग बैलेंस इज सेम, येस इट इज़ सेम, 50 किलोग्राम वुडन ब्लॉक और यहाँ भी 50 किलोग्राम वुडन ब्लॉक, यानी व्हाट विल बी द राइट आंसर, द आंसर विल बी नंबर number C. C has kept the number C or number what? Myra wants to find out whether the length of the ramp affect the force needed to move up, and she set up the experiment. What should she keep? Oh, she should keep the same. What should keep the same? The height of the ramp she should keep the same. उसने दोनों में same नहीं रखा, ये same होना चाहिए, ठीक है. The height of the ramp should be the same. So the right answer will be number A. Okay. The right answer will be number A. Now come to number 16. That is the achiever section, higher order thinking skill. Okay. Okay, see, a ball was released on a curved slope as shown here. As the ball moved, its kinetic energy was calculated and plotted on the graph. Now, which point of the graph shows the kinetic energy of the ball when it was at the lowest point of the slope for the first time? So, which is showing? So here the answer will be number A, W. ठीक है? Why number A? Because in W the kinetic energy is highest. यहाँ पे देखो सबसे ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. Now come to number 17. Ravi set up an experiment as shown in the given diagram. Okay, here is a diagram. The diagram shows 5 identical balls being suspended on a rod by string. So उसने क्या किया, balls को string से suspend करके रख दिया. Ravi then cut all the 5 string at the same time. At the balls were allowed to fall freely to the ground. एक ही साथ सबको कट किया, कौन सबसे पहले गिरेगा? Which of this statement holds true for the experiment? Ball B had the greatest impact on the ground. Ball B क्या सबसे ज़्यादा होगा? No, ball तो सबसे ऊपर है. Ball A had more potential energy than ball D. Will it be? Okay, let's see. Number C, ball D had the highest potential at the start. No, it can be or it not be. And number D, ball A and E had different amounts of potential energy at the start. The answer will be number A. Ball B had the greatest impact on the fall of the ground because सबसे ऊंचा और सबसे स्पीड से गिरेगा. The potential energy increased with the increase in the height. जितना ऊपर रहता है उतना स्पीड से वो नीचे आता है, ठीक है. And so in the height from the earth's surface. Okay, now see number 18. If 3 similar cars carrying different numbers of people were to travel down the same slopes, which car will travel the fastest the slope? So A, B and C, both 3 cars are there and 3 have different number of people. देखो A में 1 people है, 2 में 2 people है, 3 में 3 people है. What to travel down, उन लोग को down में आना है slope से, ठीक है. So सबसे स्पीड से कौन सा आएगा? तो the rate of change of speed of the car with the time depends on the gravity, does not on the mass of the car. किस पर डिपेंड करता है? कार ग्रेविटी पे, इस पे नहीं कि उसमें कितने लोग हैं, ठीक है. सो none of these will be the answer. Select the setup in which the plank will not move at all but may break. Let the fulcrum not be fixed permanently on the plank. So here is a plank where we need to what? Where we need to set up the plank will not move at all. जहाँ पे plank बिल्कुल भी move ना करे, वो कौन सा setup हो सकता है, ठीक है. So the answer will be number D. Why? Because यहाँ पे आप देखो, यहाँ पे both are equal. यहाँ पे देखो नंबर A में नीचे से दोनों दे रहे हैं, नंबर 2 में 2x x है, यहाँ पे x 2x है, बस हेयर बोथ आर एट द सेम, ठीक है. इसलिए मूव नहीं करेगा, दोनों का जो है सेम है प्लैंक, ठीक है. नाउ कम टू नंबर 20. Rohan flicked the same coin with equal force on the 3 different surface x, y and z. उसने 3 कॉइन को फ्लिक किया बट डिफरेंट डिस्टेंस में. एंड Okay, in one the distance traveled by the coin on the different surface is one stroke is tabulated. So x में कितना ऊपर गया 4 सेंटीमीटर, y coin जो है 8 सेंटीमीटर गया and z coin 12 सेंटीमीटर. So now select the correct option regarding it. What will be the answer? X could be glass and z could be cardboard. Y could be cardboard and Z could be polished plain mirror surface. Number C, X could be laminated plastic sheet and Y could be sandpaper. And number D, X could be marble floor and Z could be jute mill. So the answer will be number B, Y. Y could be cardboard. Z could be polished plain mirror. Okay. Yes. So this much for today. And I'll catch you in the next video. So the question will not come exactly same but as similar. Yes, similar like this only. So best of luck for examination class and be ready for your Olympiad. Thank you for today.